Hi, we saw in our last video just how easy it is to both create and manage cost centers and budgets within the cloud workspace. But that was just one part of Buttonwood's 360 approach to cloud management. In this video, I'll give a quick introduction to the Cloud Broker and demonstrate how this product works with the wider Buttonwood solution to provide financial management and policy-based governance for even the most complex cloud deployments. To do this, we'll firstly log on to the Cloud Broker. The broker itself is delivered via an on-premise virtual appliance that integrates with Buttonwood's cloud-based services to provide a range of powerful workload design, deployment, and management capabilities. The first thing we see after we log in is the Broker Overview screen. This dashboard provides a high-level summary of the IaaS environment. This includes configured accounts, locations, and any running or standby virtual machines. However, before we go on to see how the broker actually deploys a workload in cloud with policy-based control, it's important to quickly cover some of the key features of the broker that help make this possible. These are blueprints and environments. The Cloud Broker's blueprint capability allows IT to quickly design, build, and share rich cloud solutions that can be consumed by their organization, such as by development teams. They fully describe a solution and can target leading cloud providers. They support native provider services and deeply integrate with an ever-expanding range of third-party products, solutions, and methods. Once constructed, these blueprints can quickly and easily be published to a catalog. Users can use the catalog to deploy solutions to defined environments. So, let's take a quick look now at how the broker defines environments. The broker allows administrators to define any number of environments, each with different operational policies. For example, if we select the policies associated with our production environment, we can see quickly that it contains a regional policy that ensures any workloads deployed in this environment can only be deployed in Australian data centers. Let's look at the development environment. Here we have no regional policy applied at all. However, other policies have been applied to help keep the costs of development under control. These include hours of operation, ensuring that workloads only run in cloud between certain times. Lease duration, limiting the amount of time a solution can be deployed in cloud, terminating or disabling the solution automatically after a set period. And lastly, sizing policy, enforcing deployments to adhere to a set percentage of production capacity. So, let's see how blueprints, environments, and budgets all work together within the Buttonwood platform to ensure cloud solutions are deployed in a compliant manner with financial control. The first thing we'll do is select Catalog from the Cloud Broker menu. Here I can see all the blueprints to which I have been granted rights. Today, we're going to select Master Blueprint. This blueprint can be deployed to either the production or development environments. We'll select Development. As we can see, this is a small solution that utilises some AWS native services. To start the deployment, firstly, we'll give the deployment a name. Next, we'll select a valid cost center. In this case, we'll select the cost center we created in our previous video. Now we need to set a lease period. This is how long we want the deployment to run in cloud. We saw earlier that a lease policy was enforced for the development environment, so our solution can only run for a maximum of 4 days before it's either terminated or disabled. We can also enter a description for the deployment now, but today we'll just proceed. The Cloud Broker will now contact the Buttonwood Cloud Exchange to determine where this solution should best be deployed based on configuration, policy rules, and price. In this case, the answer is Frankfurt. As we can see, the hours of operation and sizing policies for the development environment will be applied if I deploy. Critically, Buttonwood has calculated the estimated cost of the deployment over the entire period of the lease. This is vital, as upon deployment of this solution, these funds will be immediately reserved within the associated cost center budget. Okay, now Buttonwood has determined the best location to deploy our solution. Let's get started. By hitting deploy, the blueprint solution is now being built by the broker in AWS Frankfurt. We know it will be sized at 25% of production and it will automatically be shut down and started in accordance with the Development Environment's Hours of Operation policy. Most importantly, the estimated funds to deliver this project through life have now been allocated automatically within the associated project budget. The Buttonwood platform will immediately begin to collect and track actual expenditure for this deployment directly from cloud providers. Via Cloud Workspace, users with authority to view and manage the project's budget can easily track the actual spend. Further, the platform helps avoid financial overspend before it occurs by estimating future expenditure together with rich alerting capabilities. This video was just a small introduction to the Buttonwood Cloud Broker that barely scrapes the surface of its capabilities. Hopefully, it has provided some insight into just how powerful the broker is and how it, together with the wider Buttonwood solution, provides organisations industry-leading financial and operational governance of their cloud deployments. In our next video, we'll cover how Buttonwood's cloud analytics provides organisations deep, near real-time insight into their cloud billing with powerful management and reporting capabilities.